Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the power operator in C. So I've included my basic header file. I have my main function, which is returning 0, and I want to get started. But there is one more thing that I need to include, and that is a math header file. So let's do that. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a program that tells you if you're earning, say, a certain salary per year and you're increasing each year, you get a raise each year by a certain percent, what would you be making maybe 10 years out or 20 years out or something like that? So we're going to create some floats for this, and we're going to have a float called earnings, and then we're going to have a base float. That's where we're going to put our percentage increase as a decimal. And then we'll have years, and then we'll have the total, and that'll be the amount, however many years out, um, how much you're earning. Okay, so we'll print F, and we'll say something like, how much are you currently earning per year? Okay, and we'll scan F, and we're scanning a float, and we're need the to scan into the earnings there. Okay, and then we're going to ask, we'll do another printf. What is your percentage increase in salary per year as a multiple? Okay. So, for instance, if you increase 2% every year, your multiple would be 1.02. Okay, and we'll scan F, and we'll do the we'll scan a float, and that'll be the base. Okay, and then we'll print F, another statement. How many years out do you want to know your salary? Okay, and we'll scan F, and that'll be where we scan the years. Okay, and then the total, we're going to use this power operator. So we type POW, and then in parentheses, you're going to put the base of the exponent, like the number that's getting raised to the power. So in this case, I called it base. And then we're going to put the power, which in this case is years. All right. Okay, so now we're going to print F and say in percentage, let's put 0F years, because we wanted no decimal point for the years, and these are all floats, so it would have decimal points if I didn't format it. You will be earning, and then we'll do a percentage F, and we'll do percent 2F because it's going to be in dollars, and we'll put an exclamation point for emphasis. Yay! And then we'll include the years and the total. Okay, we'll put a semicolon there. And now we'll save this, and let's run it in eShell. And so I'm going to compile float to a power. We'll output float to power. And we may have to link math. So let's redo that. Let me just rerun that. And we'll have to do -lm. And there we go. It compiles correctly. Sometimes you have to do that. So we'll float to power. We'll run that program. Say, how much are you currently earning per year? We're not going to put decimals. Let's say you're earning $45,234.20 per year. What is your percentage increase in salary per year as a multiple? Let's say you get a 10% increase per year. So it'd be 1.1. How many years out do you want to know your salary? Let's say 5 years out. And in 5 years, you're earning $1.61. So we made an error here. So let's check what our error might be. So let's exit. That's an error in logic. So we have power as base in years. Okay. we forgot that we have to multiply our earnings times this. Okay. So it's 1.61 of what we were currently earning. All right, let's try that again. It's good to leave in the mistakes to show you that, I make mistakes. Okay. All right, so we'll run this again. So it's $45,234.20. Let's say you're increasing by 10% per year. How many years? 5. Okay, so you're going to be earning $72,850 and change in 5 years. Now that's a pretty good increase per year. So a lot of people don't have 10%, but you can see this example. This is how you would do the math behind that and how you would incorporate the power operator in C. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching also, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.